So I'm Jake. I'm from Toronto, Canada, and I'm 16 at the moment. So my question kind of relates to me, and it probably relates to a lot of people out there. But there's probably a lot of outsiders in the programming world who don't really fully understand how to enter it, right? Like I'm an entrepreneur, so it's kind of been difficult for me to go into programming and coding in general. So what tips and advice would you give to people who don't really understand it to enter it effectively and efficiently?
Yeah. Well, I mean, first of all, you're in the right place, Hack Club, right? So this is a community that you can learn from and probably get a lot of good resources from. I'm not up to date on like what the right resources to point you at, but in general, the things I would try to do is first of all, I would try to figure out what's the right project to work on, and I would probably try to get some feedback from people in Hack Club, in terms of like, is this too ambitious or not? Because I think you want something that you can actually accomplish, and you want to get that feedback loop going of like, I think of something, I make it, and like, wow, that felt really good. And if you can get that feedback loop going, you're just going to keep making more things. And so I would start there. And then once you get to the point where you're starting to get more interested in the theory of it, I think, trying to understand about like object-oriented programming, data structures, algorithms, lightweight system stuff, like how does a compiler work? These are things that I think are really valuable to better understand, computers as well as technology and programming. But yeah, I think that will keep you busy for a while.